Hello all, I am Aishi and in this video I am going to read my most favorite part from the book The Power of Self-Discipline by Brian Tracy. This part is known as the big payoff. The payoff for developing high levels of self-discipline is extraordinary. There is a direct relationship between self-discipline and self-esteem. The more you practice self-mastery and self-control, the more you like and value yourself. The more you discipline yourself, the greater is your sense of self-respect and personal pride. The more you practice self-discipline, the better is your self-image. You see yourself and think about yourself in a more positive way. You feel happier and more powerful as a person. The development and maintenance of the habit of self-discipline are a lifelong task, an ongoing battle. It never ends. The temptation to follow the path of least resistance and expediency factor lurk continually in the back of your mind. They are always waiting for an opportunity to pounce, to lead you astray into doing what is fun, easy and unimportant rather than what is hard, necessary and life enhancing. Napoleon Hill concluded his best-selling book of the same name by saying that self-discipline is the master key of riches. Self-discipline is the key of self-esteem, self-respect and personal pride. The development of self-discipline is your guarantee that you will eventually overcome all your obstacles and create a wonderful life for yourself. The ability to practice self-discipline is the real reason why some people are more successful and happy than others. So friends, in this book, author beautifully defined that why some people achieve more success and some people will not achieve at all. In this, author says that successful people are willing to pay the price, while unsuccessful people do not focus on it. Successful people make a habit of doing things which unsuccessful people do not like to do. In others lesson in this book, author says that successful people know to pay the price to achieve something big, while unsuccessful people do not focus on it. Successful people always focus on goal achieving task, while unsuccessful people focus on tension relieving task. So always try to make a habit and doing things which are necessary and important for you, rather than focusing on entertaining and unimportant tasks. So this is my favorite part in this book. If you have read the book, do comment out your learning and thank you so much for watching.